What's up, guys? This is Will H Tech Review. Today we're going to take a look at some essential oil diffusers. This is a set of two sent out to me by a company called RoyAroma. So a big shout out to them for providing this for a review. So these are the RoyAroma two-piece essential oil car diffuser vent clip. Aromatherapy stainless steel locket with 12 felt pads. So here's a picture of what you would get right there. As you can see, you get 12 of those pads with different colors, and you get a nice set of lockets to put the pads in. You can put these in your home, anywhere, car, office, bathroom, just anywhere where you may want to add some nice aroma, some nice scent. So you can see the illustration there shows that you take your favorite essential oil, drop a few drops on it, put the pad within the nice little locket, and you can put it wherever you want. There's another picture there, and here's a picture here where they have them in the car on a vent, on your car vent right there. I'll throw some pictures in here and show you where you may want to put them. But you get two different colors here, as you can see. I'll leave this link in the description if you want to take a look at these and check them out. $11.99 on Amazon.com. The link will be in the description, guys. So I cut a hole in this already, but I just wanted you guys to see what kind of packaging yours may come in. But here's the packaging. Nothing fancy about this packaging. Let's get this open. If I can get this open here, see what's all included with this set. So RoyAroma here, give you a little pamphlet. Dear customer, thank you for the purchase. Tells you how to use these. Drop a few drops, like I said earlier, on the pad and put the pad in the locket and close it. And there you are. So let's see what's else included. So you get this nice little carrying pouch right here. Don't know if that's holiday festive or just coincidence, but pretty nice presentation right there. Let's get on the inside of it and see what else. The first thing you get are your 12 multicolored pads. You also get your lockets. There's one. And there's another one. That's all in the carry-in bag there. So let's take a look at the lockets first. So they have these in a nice little sheer purple, blue, little carry-in thing here. Nice touch. And you take these out. Woo, feels nice. This is definitely some type of metal. Doesn't feel, feels pretty good. Got a nice metal clip here that you would use to clip this somewhere. You do have look like a tree design on there. Feels solid, man. That's a pretty solid feeling locket here. So you can see that's how you open it up to put your felt in there. And yeah, very nice, man. So let's take a look at the next one here. Now these, being the holiday season, this may be like a little stocking stuffer or, you know, something like that, a gift that you can give to someone, and it's a reasonable price. And here's the other one. That one has a tree also, some type of bush. But as you can see, they're two different designs. So both of them are very nice. Not very big either. These are very tiny, man. So you could put them somewhere and they're not going to stick out, you know. They'll be there and you'll be smelling the smell, and it'll be nice looking to have there. We're going to take a look at the colors. Lay them out here so you guys can take a look and see the different color of the felts. So it looked like we got yellow, red, blue, black, green, purple. There's 12 of them. And then let's lay these out. Get out of here. You got pink. You got another pink, I guess pink, hot pink. You got another black. You got a blue, an orange, and another green, lime green right there. So there are the colors. So let's take a look at the colors, different colors. Let's do the yellow. And let's do, what you guys think? Yellow and green? Let's try that. Lime green and yellow. So there's an example of the colors. Yeah, pretty nice, man. That looks nice. That would definitely spice up your wherever you put these at. Definitely make it look pretty good. So let's try another couple of colors here. Let's go orange and let's go red. Red, let's see. Yeah, man, so you can mix and match if you want, if you're gonna put these in the same area, but gonna look good and be smelling good at the same time. So RoyAroma diffuser set. Leave a link in the description for you guys. Gonna drop some pictures in here. We'll catch y'all in the next video. I'm out of here.